Southern Machinery provides automatic insertion machines. Do you know how Auto Insertion Machine works? Let's introduce our Auto Insertion Machine to you. As you can see how smoothly the machine works because we have installed high-quality parts in it. The insertion speed is 0.35 seconds. Piece adopts Panasonic AC servo drive, high speed, low noise, stable movement. The visual system is very strong due to industrial specialized high-definition camera and the development of automatic visual correction software of Vision System, automatic correction, insertion accurately. This 3D view provides you the detailed information about this machine and you may understand more clearly. Design insertion head according to the terminal thickness. If the detection system detects that the insertion has completed successfully, go to the next step. If it is not completed, the machine will stop and report an error. After that, the XY workbench will send the PCB completed by the insertion to the right track. Our inserter machine can bring you maximum automation. Let you no longer worry about high artificial cost and solve the problem of low efficiency for you. For more details, visit our website